Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to register your business on Sunbiz. So for that, first you have to simply go to the website of Sunbiz, which is called sunbiz.org. Once you get to this website, you will see this interface. Now here we have this option, start a business. You have to click onto it and then you will see this option, start e-filing. And then you have to click on this option, which is profit corporation. Once you get to this page, you can read out this information. This is all about the Florida Limited Liability Company. If you're okay with that, you have to click onto this option, file or collect Florida LLC article of organization. As you click onto it, it will take you to this next page and there you get two options. The right one is for when you have already submitted your request but it has some issues, so you have to review it. But if it's your first time, then you have to get agree to this one and just simply go with this first option, and then you will get to this form where you have to fill this whole information. You can check out the whole information. It has so many things that you have to add. Make sure you add everything correctly. So first start with your effective date. Make sure you add the right one. And it shows required filing fees is $125. You have to simply go with it, and there's also for the certificate of status and certified copy some charges, so you can also go for it, but these are optional. And then you have to add your LLC name. Make sure you add the right one, and once you're done with it, then you have to add all this information. This include adding your address, your mailing address, and a name and address of registered agent. Then you have to add provisions, or if you want to go with a purpose and statement, these are optional. And there are other few things you can check out, like corresponding name and email address. Make sure to add everything correct, because if anything goes wrong, you would be responsible for it. Also, if your company has multiple directors, then it has the seven options. So you can add information for seven different directors. If you have less directors, don't worry, you can just simply leave that blank spaces. And once you're done filling out all this information, you just have to simply submit it. And after that, you have to simply pay $125 by adding your payment method. And after that, your request will be sent and the organization will review it, and once it get passed, they will email you, and after that your business will get registered. So that's how you can register your business on Sunbiz. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and thank you so much for watching the video.